welcome to Erika's Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Well, we are in our 25 days of cookies, and today I wanted to bring you a quick tip on how you can turn a plain cookie into something that is spectacular. So right here I have this can right here of condensed milk, and I turned a can of condensed milk that was just like this into this wonderful caramel. And how did I do it, you say? Well, I put this can of milk into a pot of water, and I let it boil for 3 hours. And then I took it out. Well, I let it stay in the pan. I turned the pan off. I let it stay in the pan till it cooled off. And then I opened the can and I poured all the contents, mixed it up, and this is what I came out with. Now, the longer you leave the can in, the darker, the more rich your caramel will come. You can also, if you don't want to boil it, you can bake this can. You can put this can in an oven, 350 degrees, and this can will bake for 2 hours in a 350 degree oven. And the same thing will happen. It will cook in this can, and when you open the can, your caramel will be inside. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking one of my cream cheese cookies that I baked with. All of them are dipped in coconut. I'm going to drizzle accompaniment for ice cream. You can put it on cakes. You can put it on puddings. You can add it to just about any dessert that you want to give a caramel flavor to, because that's what this tastes like, a thick, rich caramel, without having to melt sugar and add your butter, your heavy cream. This right here is. So I'm just continuing to put this caramel on the cookie and dunking that in the coconut, and then because it has the caramel, the coconut, and the chocolate, it just doesn't have the butter cookie. This is a cream cheese cookie, but it's kind of in the same ballpark. So, anywho, but this is such a versatile thing, and it's so easy to make. It's just putting it in the oven or sticking it in a pot of water and letting it go, you know. And then I'm just going to take a fork. I melted this chocolate, and I'm just going to drizzle chocolate on it. And this took just a plain, ordinary cream cheese cookie, and now it's taking it to a whole nother the eyes. And I know it's going to be delicious because it has all things that I love. It has coconut, it has caramel, it has chocolate, and then this lovely cream cheese cookie that I loved plain. Now amp up the deliciousness, you know. And this took just a plain, ordinary cream cheese cookie, and now it's taking it to a whole nother level. And I know it's going to be delicious because it has all things that I love. It has coconut, it has caramel, it has chocolate, and then this lovely cream cheese cookie that I loved plain. Now I'm going to get to enjoy it on a whole nother level. So I hope you enjoyed learning about this wonderful stuff right here. They call it Dulce de Leche, which means like milk candy. So this right here is some wonderful stuff. It tastes caramely, and it gives you all of those caramel notes so that when you put it on something like ice cream, cookies, whatever, you know, you get that caramel flavor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this video, and please remember to subscribe, like, share this video with your friends, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So bye for now. Oh, just a reminder, remember on Fridays, we're doing a contest for all people who watch my videos and who would like to win a batch of these cookies delivered to them to their home, either through the mail or personal delivery by me if you're in the greater Los Angeles area. Remember to look for the bonus word and share the video. You must share the video, and you must watch the video. So please remember to watch the video, share the video, and watch for the bonus word. There will be a word on the screen, and you'll have to put that word into the comments area along with proof that you shared the video with 5 of your friends. So thanks for watching again. Bye for now.